Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the distance your staking view switches from either the compass or the map to the grid view. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner of my plumb bob icon and bring up my staking menu. I'm going to select stake points, and then I'm just going to choose a nearest point. And what you're going to see is I've selected my compass view, and I've got a compass heading and a distance to my nearest point. So if I select a point here that I am nearby, so let me just go select from map here, and then let's choose one that I am walking towards here, 1144, and then select, and you're going to see that as I move in, my compass is giving me a direction and distance, and as I close in on 4 meters here at the bottom, it's going to switch to my grid staking method, which gives me this more accurate results to bring me into my points. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your staking options menu, and to bring that up, what you're going to do is you're going to press the wrench and screwdriver here at the bottom of the screen. That's going to bring up the options menu, and you can see here that the fourth option is a compass switch threshold. So at 4 meters by default, it's going to switch from the compass to my grid view. So if you want to increase that, you can type in 10 meters, or, vice versa. You can also do it that you shorten it if you want to have that compass for longer. And you can see here now, if I go select from map and I choose a point that's a bit further out of my path here, 1227, and I hit select point, you're going to see that my distance as I close in on 10 meters here, instead of switching at 4 meters, it's going to switch at 10 meters to my grid staking method. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you switch the distance at which your staking view switches from compass to grid in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or anything on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.